So, student, we have to continue today what we had left yesterday. Only more than 50% of the chapter we could revise yesterday, and today remaining part we will have a revision, then follow-up question which is given in our chapter that must be attempted. So, here student, let's see. Yesterday I was telling you about Aram and Murad's activities, what they had done, and only the cause of the prank of both the boys and his uncle Khosrow. Overall, this story is made interesting by the narrator. You know, somehow, when Murad had arranged a horse for riding, Aram was also agreed that this is not stealing because they have arranged that only for amusement, only to learn how to ride a horse. They won't have any intention to sell that. So that could not be considered as stealing, according to Aram. And they both enjoyed well of riding the horse. And at last, and student, what's the name of that horse when first time Murad indicated him to run? The name of this horse first time when Murad gave it caution to move fast, by which name he started Wazir. His name in the starting, what he told that Wazir. And what was the color of that horse, beta?
Sir, white.
White horse. Okay, he named this white horse Wazir. And Aram too wanted to ride alone because his brother has completed his chance. But he was told to wait. Moraz suggested him that, brother, you should wait. When I will complete, then it's your turn. Then you will continue. And at last, what happened, student? When Aram fell from the horse, yet the horse continued running. It didn't stop. It took them half an hour to find and bring back the horse. Half an hour to find the horse to bring back. Now, from here, which is new 1 point, student, let's focus here. It was morning. The whole world was awake. And their problem, what was that? They had to hide the horse. But Murad was knowing the place. Aram asked him again how long ago he had stolen the horse. Murad told him tell a little lie and say that they had started riding that very morning. Only in the morning we will ride on. And Murad led the horse to a deserted vineyard. What was that place? Of a farmer, Fidvizan. That vineyard was of Fidvizan, the name of the owner of that vineyard, Fidvizan. He added that he had an understanding with horse. He had understanding with horse, he had understanding with dogs, he had understanding with farmer also. Three times he had told a student. Sometime this question is asked in exam. Three times for different creatures he used. I have an experience. Who said? Murad. That afternoon, Uncle Khosrow came to Aram's house. Then came one more visitor there. Who was that new visitor, student? John Byro, the owner of the horse. He was a farmer, and he informed here that his in previous month he has lost his horse. And then what was reaction there, student? Uncle Khosrow का क्या reaction था इस पर? As usual, he shouted. He told Bhairav to stop crying over a horse when he had legs to walk 10 miles to get there. Mean you have leg, you can walk. It doesn't matter that you have lost your horse. Then Aram's mother consoled Bhairav. She said that Khosrow had a gentle heart, but he was homesick. Mean he had led his life lonely in loneliness. That's why these are minute losses. What he doesn't consider a loss. So Aram ran over to Murad's house when he heard the discussion between Khosrow and John Byro. Just as soon as he could listen this information, he ran away to inform Murad. And what he found there, student? He found there that Murad was smoothing the wings of which bird? कौन सा पंछी था बेटा जिसके वो पंख को सेट कर रहा था मुराद? Which bird that was? Students, are you getting my voice? Which bird was that beta?
Yes, sir.
That bird was a robin. Under a peach tree, he was smoothing the wings of robin bird. And when he reached near Murad, he informed that John Byro who wanted this horse back. At the same time, he extracted a promise from his cousin that he would keep the horse for at least 6 months. And Murad was at that time giving first aid to a robin bird, as I have told you. And when he left this bird, he freed this bird. Somehow it could manage to fly straight in the sky. But in the starting, first and second time, he was fell down. Then once it attempted and flew away. Yes, student. For 2 weeks, the cousins took the horse out from the barn and enjoyed riding. But every morning, but every morning, the horse threw Aram and ran away. बार बार घोड़ा आराम को गिरा दिया करता था. One morning, when they were taking the horse to be to the barn, they met John Byro. Murad bent forward to talking. And meanwhile, what was going on, student, when they were walking on the road with the horse? Some dogs they were chasing them without barking. And when from the backside, when Aram informed, whispered to Murad that dogs are barking, they are chasing. Then what was reaction of Murad? मुराद का क्या रिएक्शन था बेटा जब उसको इन्फॉर्म हुआ कि भाई कुत्ते उसका पीछा कर रहे हैं एंड विदाउट बार्किंग देन व्हाट वाज रिएक्शन ऑफ मुराद दैट ही हैड एक्सपीरियंस he had a way with dog. He made another claim that he had a way with farmers. वैसे ही यहाँ भी वो कहता है he had a way with farmers. John Byro examined the horse and swore that it was just like his horse. He also counted the teeth of the horse to make sure, but Murad told him with confidence that his horse was named My Heart. ने बताया कि उसके घोड़े का नाम My Heart है. It was his animal. So Byro said that he believed Murad because he knew that his stolen horse, because boys of such an honorable family could never steal. ये कभी चोरी नहीं कर सकते, एक सम्मानित परिवार से बिलोंग करते हैं. So early next morning, the cousins took the horse to Barrow's vineyard and put it there. The dogs there didn't bark. Murad took the credit. मुराद ने वो क्रेडिट ले लिया कि मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस है, especially related to dog. So he said that he had a way with the dog as well. And that afternoon, student John Byro came to Aram's house in a carriage drawn by his own white horse. He, however, wondered at the change that occurred in the horse. What was change? Especially in physical appearance of that horse. It looked stronger than ever and better tempered too. पहले से ज़्यादा strong दिख रहा था. Then he thanked. Here in the last you can see here student very clearly in the line it is given. Okay, he said that he thanked to whom? God. He thanked God. Why? Because he has got his horse. Here for the recovery of his lost horse. But Uncle Khosrow was irritated. What did say Uncle Khosrow? What was his reaction? Student of Uncle Khosrow. Here in the last line you can say. You can see here what he said. Irritated and shouted, "Quiet, man, quiet." Mean shut up. Enough. Horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it. This line is prank of Uncle Khosrow. And that's why somehow our story is interesting. Cause of the prank of Uncle Khosrow and of two boys. What was the prank of Murad? Student, I have a way with horse. I have a way with dog. I have a way with farmer. These were the pranks of Murad. So here student, now it's a turn. Now let's discuss here what is given here as a question answer. We have to discuss at the matter. Here you can see beta that in first question mostly the questions of these chapters they are based on students thinking what they have to write there. Their feeling may be different. But first two questions what we have to attempt and very interesting here. You will probably agree that this story does not have breathless adventure and exciting action. That is depend on different student. Some student they will say that yes, this story is really adventurous and exciting action also is here. But some student also may be there who won't accept that key. Is here any breathless adventure, exciting action? Then in the next line student, then what in your opinion makes it interesting? According to your opinion, what line, what thing is special? which makes this story interesting. Now you have to attempt better. It's very easy. Just before a while I have told you. वैसे तो आपको ये कहानी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग शायद मिस्ट्रियस ना लगे, बट समथिंग इज देयर which is making this story somehow interesting partially. So what may be there, student, according to you? What's your opinion, beta? What thing is making, what statement, whose role is here, which is making this story somehow interesting? Who will tell me? Are you getting my voice, beta? All the student?
Sir Murad.
Good, beta. Very good. It's Murad's activity. And one more,
Uncle Khushbu.
अंकल खुशरो. भाई इस कैरेक्टर में पूरे ओवरऑल स्टोरी में 3 कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे हैं जो बिल्कुल लीडिंग रोल में हैं. देखा जाए तो जॉन बायरो भी हैं, बट हियर यू कैन सी ओनली द प्रैंक्स ऑफ मुराद. प्रैंक सेंस ऑफ शरारत से मतलब है. प्रैंक्स ऑफ मुराद एंड अंकल खुशरो. इवन आराम वाज आल्सो देयर. These activities, the activities of them are making this story somehow slightly interesting. Okay, of course there are no exciting actions and adventures in this story, no doubt. What is the name of your chapter, beta? This story? Can you tell the name of the chapter?
Summer of a Beautiful Wife.
The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Still, it makes a delightful reading. You have enjoyed well. And the narrator relates the incidents which took place when he saw a little boy. That was time early in the morning. The world was full of dreams and mysteries. And he was fond of horse riding, but acute poverty stood in his way. Morad and Aram could not purchase a horse for riding, and they could not steal like horse. वो चोरी भी नहीं कर सकते थे. Then he tells himself that taking somebody's horse just for a joy and ride did not mean stealing. तो अगर किसी का घोड़ा ले लिया गया तो ये चोरी नहीं कहलाएगी. Why? Because only their intention is joy and ride. And after all, the cousins had no plan to sell the horse. One more reason that was. And the story moves at the leisurely pace. Murad was just a lively and adventure loving boy. And he had got his craziness from whom? किससे craziness उसने अचीव किया था? अंकल खुसरूफ से. Okay, the uncle's standard reaction. What was his standard reaction? To every situation, pay no attention to it. ये अंकल का बिल्कुल एकदम कॉमन रिएक्शन हो गया था. पे नो अटेंशन टू इट. And the description, the pranks of two boys, especially craziness of the uncle, make the story interesting. Now, here student, second one is that what we have to focus here in the second question. Just I would like to get it zoom. Then we will see it. Hmm. One day back. What was there special? One day back. Just a minute. Second one we have to attempt now. Did the boys return the horse because they were conscience stricken or because they were afraid? Conscience stricken or because they were afraid? बॉयज ने घोड़े को लौटा दिया। क्या वो डर गए थे या फिर उन्हें समझ आ गई थी, उन्हें चेतना आ गई थी what is right or wrong? So you have to decide which one option is correct with reason. Here two characters, Murad and Aram, belong to which tribe student? कौन से tribe से belong करते थे मुराद and Aram? बेटा can you tell the name? From which tribe they were belonging? गैरोग्लेनियन फैमिली। कौन सी फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे बेटा? आर्मेनियन गैरोग्लेनियन फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे। So Aram was surprised to see Murad's riding beautiful white horse. He at once remarked that it was a stolen horse. तुरंत उसने कहा कि भाई ये तो चोरी का घोड़ा है। The very thought of stealing was disgusting to Aram, but he reasoned with himself that taking a horse for a ride was not stealing at all. But Murad was lively, adventure loving, and crazy boy. He was unlike the little Aram. He was daring, self confident, and tactful. Nevertheless, their encounter with John Byro, encounter means student, sense of talking, vartalap. Nevertheless, their encounter with John Byro pricked their conscience and even frightened them. ना तो उनको कॉन्साइंस से उनका जगा सका और ना ही वो डरे हुए थे। Then what happened? Perhaps their family reputation was at stake. Now here very clearly student, why they have returned the horse? Because of the family reputation. Maybe. So they took the horse to its owner barn. घोड़े को उन्होंने क्यों लौटाया? क्योंकि अपने खानदान की रेपुटेशन को बचाने के लिए। ना तो वो जॉन बायरो से प्रभावित हुए थे और ना ही वो डरे हुए थे। ओके, हैव यू गॉट द सेंस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा? स्टूडेंट, you should respond beta, all of you. And now here it is given student third and fourth number. Third number question, that is the story began in a mood of like that. Okay, let's focus here. What is given here? Nostalgia. Can you narrate some incidents from your childhood that might make an interesting story? That is depend on you. If any event accident took place in your life, you can share here. It means that is depend on you and your thinking. And next one is here student in the fourth number, that is also same in the same way here. What is here? Traits, geographical and economical features as suggested in the story. What is that? Once I am reading the story here, question, the story revolves around characters who being to a tribe in Armenia. Morad and Aram are members of the Gargulonian family. Now, locate Armenia and Assyria on the atlas and compare a write-up on the Gargulonian tribes. You may write about people, their names, traits, geographical and economic features as suggested in the story. That is task and really interesting creative work you can do. You have to show on the atlas what Armenia and Assyria. Then you have to write about both the places, about the tribes, about geographical features, about economic and social features. Okay, you have to write whatever is suggested in the story. Okay, so something which is maybe related, easier question what I want to ask you, student, and I hope you all can do, and very easy that is. Okay, which tribe did Aram and his cousin Murad belong to? Very easy task. I know you all can do that.
Irregularly.
हाँ बेटा, very good, nice attempt, good. And what was their tribe known for? उनका जो ट्राइब था वो किस चीज के लिए जाना जाता था?
Honesty.
Honesty, for their honesty. Very good बेटा, very good. No member of the family could ever think of stealing. कोई भी मेंबर उस ट्राइब से कभी चीटिंग या चोरी नहीं कर सकता था. Very good. What did people say about मुराद? मुराद के बारे में लोग क्या कहते थे? He was fond of adventures. He too had a streak of craziness, and he was natural descendant of his uncle Khosrow. He used to say that he had a way with horses, dogs, and farmers. I hope you all have got that. Okay, next one. Why did Murad wake up Aram? मुराद ने आराम को क्यों जगा दिया? What was the reason there?
To make him ride on the horse.
Murad woke up Aram in order to give him a chance to enjoy horse riding. Very good, better. Nice attempt. Okay. How did Aram react to what he saw? जो कुछ देखा आराम ने वो कैसे रिएक्ट किया? First of all, he could not believe.
That
On
was not acceptable for Aram because he never think that Murad can buy a horse. Just he thought that Murad had stolen it. So he was totally confused what he was saying.
very nice, beta. Excellent. Exact answer you have given. Very good. Nice one. Okay. So one more. One more I would like to get from another student also. They should try. That is, why could Aram not believe what he saw that morning? In another way, same question may be asked. Why could Aram not believe? ठीक है, आपने बताया कि वो unbelievable था. But what was the reason? Why could Aram not believe that he saw that morning?
So Aram thought that that was a stolen horse, but he was not accepting it because he know that Murad is also from his family.
Hmm.
Their family stole anything or can't do anything wrong. So he was not just accepting that it was stolen, or he think that Murad neither can buy a horse because they have not lots of money to buy a horse.
Very good. Nice attempt, beta. Very nice. Who was Uncle Khoshrob? Who was Uncle Khoshrob? अब भाई यहाँ तो देखा जाए तो मैंने सीधे सीधे आंसर दे दिया. बट दिस इज वेग क्वेश्चन. कभी ऐसे उलझाने के लिए उलझाने वाले क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं. सो you have to introduce that Uncle Khosrow was widely known to be crazy. He was short tempered and impatient as well. He stops others from talking by shouting at them. कभी कभी जब सीधे कैरेक्टर का नाम ही क्वेश्चन में दे दिया गया तो हमें उसकी एक्टिविटीज को बेटा इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ता है आंसर में. Okay, he stopped other from talking by shouting at them. His stock saying was, "It is no harm. Pay no attention to it." Murad had got that craziness from Uncle Khosrow. In this way, we can write of such vague question. इसको vague question कहते हैं बेटा जो अस्पष्ट होता है. Okay. Now, next thing is that what I want to ask you, what was common between Murad and Aram? दोनों के बीच में कॉमन क्या था मुराद एंड आराम के बीच में? This is also very easy task. You can do that, I know. Beta, you have to attempt that. What was common between them? दोनों के बीच में ऐसा कॉमन क्या था? हम्म हम्म I know beta, there is network problem, but you attempted well. And another student, you hmm hmm another student beta. Any other? What was common between them, Murad and Aram? Naturally, she attempted. Murad and Aram were cousins belonging to the Garoglanian family. Both had a common craze for horse riding. 2 points are common. Another one also common. But Aram was more honest and straightforward than his cousin. That was difference. Sometimes it is asked in the exam student. What was common and what was different? So common was that they belong from the same tribe, same native, same family, okay, and they both were fond of horse riding. And difference was that Aram was honest, straightforward, more honest and straightforward than his cousin. And Murad had a streak of craziness. He could tell lies. He was boastful. Aram was simple hearted. That was difference between them. Have you got it, student? How easy that was. Such questions may be there arisen in your exam, student. Okay. Another thing, another point I want to discuss on the matter here. Murad had a way and some sort of understanding with three creatures. Who were they? Just I have told you before a few minutes ago.
So with dogs or with farmers
Hmm.
and with horses.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Nice attempt. Very good. Okay. And another one. Who was John Byro? Very simple question. Who was John Byro?
Farmers.
Hmm. Another student, beta?
The only
Good. You have attempted well. He was farmer. Good. John Byro was an Assyrian farmer and lived in the neighborhood. He was frequent visitor to Aram's house. Very good. Another part is student. What did he lose? What did he lose? क्या खो दिया था उसने?
resort.
He lost his
Or
his white horse. He lost his white horse. Good. Okay. Next one is, how did Murad put John Byro off when the two met one morning? How did Murad put John Byro off when the two met one morning? Mean how he was able to handle John Byro when in the morning they met. You know, John Byro, who recognized his horse and examined it thoroughly. But Murad confidently told Byro that his horse's name was My Heart. And Byro made no fuss, no argument, no doubt, because he knew about the honesty of Murad's family. Okay, student? Okay. Next, one thing. And very interesting. You can see here the horse. Here it's ready to gallop. Now, what change did John Byro notice in his horse after it was returned to him? What change did John Byro notice in his
was
horse?
more healthy, old,
Good, good, beta, very good.
and it becomes so calm.
Hmm. His horse had become stronger and better tempered than before. So he thanks God for the change. Okay, he the horse had become stronger and better tempered. That was the change which was noticed by John Byro in the horse. In this way, student, you can see overall this story is somehow slightly interesting, which is made by chiefly three characters: the prank of Khosrow, Murad, and Aram. So here, student, this chapter is over. Next day we will continue another chapter in Hornbill. Thank you. Have a nice day.